Yes, good morning. Linaw.
Ang ganda ng light.
Nasa Skyway kami ngayon. Going to Terminal 1.
Lagi ko nang iwawahid.
Maganda yun, right?
Time check. Pa-time check siya. Paano mo nagawa? Gagawin ko din yun.
You download the app.
May app doon. Hi, be.
Bakla 0% na ako eh.
Oh, no.
As in ako. As a person. Bring me chips.
Huy, wag na. Tama ka na.
Okay, isa pa.
Parang luto. Kakabili lang ng chip.
Nasa isip ko. Oh. Mouth spray.
Ang random na naman. Ready ah.
Oh,
Rooting for you.
Charger.
Wala, naka-charge. Game, mauna na kayo.
Uy, wire lang na ako. Uy, wire lang.
Alam mo,
Meron din ako.
ay, ito maglupit.
Yun
Gawin
na
natin
lang.
1K. Medyas. Medyas.
Ako nga plano ko din magpangkali.
Miss Sandy. Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
May tanto pini mo sambra pushong sina ayu si sakpi.
Yung 950. H4. So technically H4 is there, but we need to go transfer muna.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay na ako dyan.
Uy, legs for days.
Exactly.
The strap around the waist and fasten the buckle.
Oh, ang lamig.
Just three, Rafaela? Just three?
Yes, because some of them are flying. Okay, so we'll just wait na lang for the shuttle. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Hi. It's so big and so nice. And then, meron tayong welcome kit. Today, I woke up, took a shower, picked my clothes. Basically, I started prepping already. I've been fixing things around as much as I can, except for my bed. I feel so out of it still. Parang hindi pa ako nag-game face on. Gets nyo naman yun. The WCG event starts tomorrow. So, it's 2 days. Then, ayun. Today, magre-rehearsal kami. Check the venue, I guess. Honestly, don't know what we'll do in the rehearsal. But, pinapadala na sa amin yung peripherals namin. I'll be competing in a crossfire tournament against other countries. So, my team and I, me, Archer, Zendi, Kyle and Ken, we will be representing the Philippines for WCG's Crossfire tourney. Thank you. I'm wearing my room slippers. Nag-breakfast ba kayo? Di ako nag-breakfast, no? 10 yung alarm ko. Wala talagang tulog kahapon. Parang 2 hours lang ata. Kahapon, 4 ganun. Wow! Oh my gosh! The place is so big. It's huge. Stage G.
First match WCG.
First time
makanood ng ganito.
Oh, ikaw lalaro ka
Tapos ako yung maglalaro.
First time ko din maglan. Uy, Valorant! Maiyak talaga ako.
daw dito, Mr. Archer. Ay, okay.
Hindi dapat tayo magda-doubt sa game sense natin. Sometimes nasa-flankan na nating kalaban, like they do to us.
Pwede ako batay.
One mid. One upper ah.
Grabe naman, may pagpunas ng axe. After you pose, you take the light for your guest. Front. Okay.
King influencer penanta dari tim Filipina.
Hey, ready!
Okay? Thank you!
My name is Sim. Sim? Yeah, S-I-M-M-E. Simmy.
I'm Vanessa.
Vanessa. Oh.
Yeah.
Hi, Vanessa. Ruby.
Ruby?
Yeah.
I'm Bean. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Vanessa.
Hi, Gladys.
Where's Maeve and your team?
I don't know where's Maeve.
Where's your stage? Your crossfire too, right?
Yeah. Here.
Here?
Yeah. It was so bad.
Just what you guys fly here? Many hours?
80.
18 hours.
Team Philippines.
Okay, so good luck. Sabi daw sa blind box, piliin mo yung mabigat. Pero ito mabigatin na mo. Diyos mo.
This one? Ay, oo nga, no?
Bibili dapat siya ng AirPods. Sayang. Kasi bawal lang mag-ano bawal siya ma-cover.